Daylight balanced bulbs. Do not be fooled by the cheap bulbs. Our bulbs have been serving US for almost 7 years. These high-output daylight balanced compact fluorescent bulbs are ideally suited for digital photography. They also have very low heat, so they don't get hot like the more common photobulb choices. Light stands. Versatile, hardworking lightweight, black anodized aluminum, stable quick setup. Maximum height. 2000 m, 80 inches, minimum height, 810 m, 32.4 inches, maximum load capacity 2.5 kg, 9.9 pounds, closed length, 805 m, 32.2 inches, mounting stud 5/8 of an inch. Muslin backdrop. 100% cotton to absorb the light and help eliminate reflection. Completely seamless, made from one piece of material, 3-rod pocket at one end. Machine washable. Crimped along the edges to prevent tears. Lightweight, easy to fold. Allow for 5 to 8% manufacturing shrinkage. Crossbar for background support. This is a 3-section telescope crossbar for background support. Extend from 5 feet 5 to 9 feet with 5/8 female sockets on both ends to lock on to any light stands. Holds canvas, muslin or paper. Top reviews from the United States. I am a photography teacher at a small studio and I wanted to be able to have a setup to also do some portrait work on the side. I wanted something to start with and then I plan on adding other lights as finances allow. Everything came in perfect condition. The bulbs were in their own boxes in styrofoam shells keeping them protected, and I can't see how they would get broken in shipment unless someone was banging the box around. The case can hold mostly the backdrop stands and the bar for the backdrop fabric. The rest of the materials I put into another carrying bag, but I kept the boxes for the other stands and bulbs since they seemed nice for transportation purposes. It wasn't too heavy to manage, but you definitely couldn't lug it for miles, but I am on the petite side. The fabric isn't very thick, but it really didn't bother me and I've used it in multiple situations. That's one of the only negative things I would say. The other thing I would say is definitely consider that you will need to purchase brighter lights. These bulbs don't quite cut it and I have some on order now. This wasn't really a big deal to me. I only mention that because so many other people have, and it is quite true. Everything was super easy to assemble. I had no issues whatsoever putting everything together. It was packaged neatly, and if you need assistance getting it set up, the CowboyStudio website has very clear instructions. Overall, I am very satisfied with my purchase. It's taken some great portraits so far and I've only had the chance to use it a couple times.